If you've been eyeing the Coach Tabby Top Handle 20 with quilting, this is your sign to get it. This little beauty is giving main character energy. I mean, look at how puffy and cute she looks. She's basically a designer marshmallow. It's made from soft Napa leather with pillowy quilting. It comes with a structured top handle, a removable crossbody chain strap. It has gold tone hardware, the signature C front buckle closure, and yes, she is as luxurious as she looks. Next, let's take a look at what fits inside. As much as I love a mini moment, I still definitely need a bag that functions and works properly to fit my lifestyle. So let's see if what I carry on a typical day will fit inside. So as you can see, there are quite a few combinations of daily essentials that will fit perfectly into this bag. You do need to be a little bit selective in what you choose because she is mini, so she can't carry everything, but she fits my essentials perfectly. Overall, I have to say I absolutely love this bag. It's giving treat yourself energy, and it feels like carrying a designer marshmallow, you guys. One that actually holds all your daily essentials and looks really chic and put together. I highly recommend.